Hi, I'm Troy Duncan from First National Real Estate Lake Macquarie. It's a pleasure to introduce you to 10 Nightingale Crescent Cameron Park. This beautiful 3-bedroom, single-level home is nestled on a huge 1,259 square metre block. It's like its own hidden oasis. Come in and have a look. The large lounge room with natural gas heating and reverse cycle air conditioning. Neat and tidy kitchen with a tiled meals area overlooking the in-ground pool. You have 3 bedrooms with built-in robes. 3-way bathroom. Relax in the in-ground swimming pool over summer. There's garaging and carport. Has all the needs that a growing family will need.